Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair install and review video. I got this hair from MSCOCO hair and I'm just going to show you guys how the hair came, what it came with, and I'm going to walk you guys through how I installed it and how I arrived at this point. So this is how the wig came in this really nice satin bag. They sent in some goodies alongside the wig. So a bonnet, wig cap, there's a headband, lashes, an edge brush, clips for holding the hair back when I'm styling, this band for holding down the edges when I lay the hair. So this is the wig. It's a 24-inch straight hair, 6x6 HD lace, 180% density, and the wig already came slightly pre-plucked. So I just went ahead, bleached a little and did a little bit more plucking, though it's HD lace, so the lace is really thin, but then I wanted like a really sleek and natural look. That's why I went ahead and did like a bit more work on it, but the way it came was also fine. So I'm going to go ahead now and install and then just show you guys how it looks. So this is the finished look. I really love this hair. It's soft, it's smooth, like it gives this like really sleek feeling and look. I'm very happy, I'm comfortable. I think this was really good money spent, and I would definitely recommend a purchase for this. It's true to length, it's, as you can see, it's giving. Okay, so I'm gonna leave all the information about this hair in the description box below. I'm going to leave the link as well. If you want to purchase, you can go directly to buy it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this look and the hair? If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, which is also linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.